early, but not as early as I wanted it to be. I wanted to leave before 6 or at 6. We're about to take off to Dallas. I'm a little bit behind. Like I said, I just filled up on E85. With that much, I thought it was gonna take more. But yeah, about to get out on the road.
We have officially made it. As you can see, the parking is very packed now.
Towards the bottom of the sheet.
So we just got here.
Oh shit.
There goes everyone. Oh shit, here it comes. Time to go back to the car. Bro, look at this. Rained out. Everybody's under here. Alright, y'all. We just got into the hotel. I had to bring this light out because all the lights in here are like a very, very warm yellow. But yeah, we out here. It is drizzling just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see. But there is supposed to be a meet tonight. So that starts at 8 o'clock. It's like 6 right now. So right now we're just gonna try to find something to do to kill some time before we go out there. I don't know what we're about to do. My buddies found a brewery down the road, so we might go over there. But whatever we do, I'll pick the camera back up in a little bit. See y'all. As y'all can see, my demeanor has changed. I got a million people blowing up my phone as I'm trying to call people. Last clip y'all seen, I said I was gonna pick up the camera whenever I was gonna do whatever. This is me picking up the camera, still in the hotel room because I go outside, and they stole my fucking Camaro. Can you believe that? They took the fucking car.
All of our customer service representatives are still busy. Your call is important to us. Please continue to...
No, it's not. Fuck you, OnStar. I've been on hold for like 10 minutes trying to get a hold of OnStar to see if they can track the car because I was tracking it for about like 15 minutes after I realized they stole it. I was tracking it through the Chevrolet app and it hasn't been loading in like the past 30 minutes. So they either cut it off, they either found the OnStar thingy, or they smacked my shit into a pole. Boy, you know that motherfucker got some power. But yeah, man, shit blows. I'm fucking drove 3 hours, got to see 2 passes at tx2k. Got my merch at least, came back, and I was so excited for this meet that we're about to go to that I'm now missing. Shit sucks, man. Probably my worst tx2k in like the 4 years that I've gone, 5 years. Shit sucks. Alright, everybody. It has been a very long time since I picked up the camera. It's been a very long time since I've done any car related stuff, honestly, just because y'all just saw what happened. Everything's finally done with and over with. I got the new car right here. If you follow the channel, you probably already know what it is, or if you follow my Instagram, you already know what it is because I posted it like a few weeks ago. It was a really like wild way that it happened. Like my whole thing is, I think that they probably followed me from the track or the Buc-ee's right there by the track, because right after the track everyone went to the Buc-ee's and they were just chilling there for a little bit, and then right after that I went to my hotel. So I literally parked the car in the parking lot across the street from the hotel, went inside, checked in, dropped my bags, I changed, I came back out, and the car was gone. I was like, bro, honestly I had thought it got towed at first, and I was like, I'm ready to pay any fee, fuck it, you know, like. It unfortunately wasn't towed, it was stolen. I'm pretty sure when I had got it back, if y'all want to see the video of whenever I got it back, like and leave a comment and I'll be sure to make that video because I got all the footage, but I just been really busy with work. I'll show y'all on this one. They had broke this glass, and I'm pretty sure they did that to stick something, you know, in there to get to opening the door. And then obviously the OBD2. If you followed any of this Camaro stuff lately, you know that like these cars are probably going to be the new Mopars in 2024. But anyways, all that stuff's done and said and over with. Like I said, if y'all want to see that video, drop a comment, like, and all that, let me know. Anyways, here's the new car right here. Yes, sir. Let me come out of my garage. The reason I have it in the garage is because I just washed it and it's raining. Yeah, as y'all can see, got the big 1LE wing. Alright, so here's the car. I totally forgot I had to swap the mic because this mic is like directional or whatever. But here's the car. It's a 2019 ZL11LE, as y'all can see. I got the carbon weave insert and all that. Low miles, dude. This thing is fucking sick. Open up the inside so y'all can see. I'm very limited on space in here, but as you can see, you got the suede things like normal. Got lucky, got these red accented seat belts and stitching and all that. And my favorite part about this is the carbon weave insert over here. I had the carbon add-ons overlay in my last car, but man, now we got the real deal, as y'all can see. Big ZZ at 1, 6-speed like always. You know, I could have got a 10-speed, but I love manuals, but I gotta save manuals. So 3 pedals always is the way to go. I'm gonna pop the hood so y'all can see what it came with. It didn't come with nothing too special. The only things that I think it did come with was lowering springs. I don't know if these are stock or not. You can't really tell. I'll put a picture right here. But if you know if those are stock or not, let me know. I don't think they are, but the car didn't come with nothing too special. It's pretty much stock besides Rotofab intake. Pretty sure these are stock upper and lowers. But yeah, that's pretty much it besides these springs. I don't know if those are stock or not. If you know, let me know. But yeah, man, this is pretty much it. I don't really have too crazy of plans for it. I think I'm just gonna do bigger, lower, and upper, or I mean smaller, you know what I mean? Upgraded upper and lower, and then E85 and headers eventually. Just nothing too crazy right now. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If the weather clears up more today, I'll take the car out and get some clips. But for now, it's just gonna sit in the garage to avoid getting rained on like everything else.